this video we are going to unbox and review this newly launched Portronics Touch Charge X, which is a wireless charger by Portronics. And friends, before moving into the video, if you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe to Tech with AGT because it's free of cost. Now, as I've said everything, now let's move into the unboxing and review. Friends, as you can see, this is the box of the newly launched Portronics Touch Charge X. And friends, this is a wireless mobile charger by Portronics. And friends, first we're going to see what's written on the box, then we are going to move inside the box. So as you can see, this supports a micro USB port and you get 10 watts of output, and the thickness of this charger is 9.9 mm, and it is a very lightweight charger also. And at the back you can see some specifications about the device, and on the bottom part you can see some more things about the device, and you get extra warranty also with this device. Like you get 1 year warranty with this device, but if you go on to their site, which is www.portronics.com, and get extra warranty with this device. So now let's move inside the box and check all the contents you get. So let me just slide this, and this is the cover and this is the proper box, and this is not that well aligned, but it's okay. So this is your wireless charger, as you can see, and let's see what's more inside the box. Yeah, so you also get the cord with the charger, which you should get. So here you get a port on the charger. Let me just remove the charger from the plastic cover. So this is your charger and this is your micro USB port. You just have to plug it in, and you don't get a power brick, so you have to connect it to your mobile phone power brick. So friends, till the time I clean up all this mess, you can take a look at the charger itself. Portronics Touch Charge X out of the box, and first we want to talk about the build quality and design of this charger. Build quality wise, the whole shell of this device is made out of ABS plus PC material, which is a soft touch plastic material, very high quality plastic used on this device. Portronics is just killing it right now when it comes to build quality and design. The build quality is just terrific on this device. For the price you're paying, it's super good in my opinion. You get this rubber in the center, cross-shaped rubber, to give you that grip on your mobile phone, so your mobile phone should not slip from the pad if it's charging on it. And as you can see, you get this power port on the top over here, which is covered with rubber itself, and this is a micro USB port. And on the bottom also you get this circular rubber, so your charger should not slip from the desk or the table you have kept it on. The weight of this device is just 65 grams, so design wise this is a very good charger to carry because it's very pocket friendly. Like you can keep it in your pocket, you can wrap around the wire also and keep it in your pocket. It's that good. But because this device is so slim, this you will not feel anything that you have a charger inside your pocket. It's very portable because of the circular shape, and this provides a 10 watt of output, which is super good. I'm going to talk about it in a later part of the video, but mind it that this will work with only QI certified devices which have wireless charging. Any device, any device will work, but you need a QI certified phone. It should support wireless charging only. It will work with those devices. So this is a 10 watt output charger. It can provide you a 5 watt output also. It actually depends on the adapter. If you want a 10 watt output, you can use a adapter with I think so 5 amp and 2 amp output, or a 9 volt 1.67 amp output. So that kind of output can give you about 10 watt of charging to your device actually, and this works very fast. It works more faster than my iPad charger. I use an iPad charger with my iPhone, so it works more faster than that. It takes about 1.5 hours, or I must say 1 hour, to charge my iPhone X till 100%. It might take more time because the iPhone X has a smaller battery, it's 2700, but with a bigger battery 3500, 3700 like the OnePlus 60, it might take about 1.5 or to 2 hours. The dash charger is definitely more faster, but still for a wireless charger it's very fast. So let me show you how it works. Like you can see over here, there is a LED indicator on the top. Let me show you the functionality of the indicator on the top. So this is the power cable, and the power cable, the quality of the power cable is also too good. It's not like the power cable you get inside the speaker box. Those are cheap in comparison to this cord. This cord is a very high quality cord. As you can see, the thickness, the build is too good. So let me just plug in the cord. So as you can see, first we have this green light and then this blue light. Yeah, so this green light indicates it's in standby mode, and whenever I keep my iPhone, like I cannot keep my iPhone because it's over here, I'm recording all my videos on my iPhone X. So I have one S8 with me. So when I keep my S8 onto it, like you can see, it's just charging, and the LED indicator, as you can see, it turns blue. Whenever my asset is fully charged, the LED indicator will turn green and it will come back to standby mode again. It will switch off charging whenever it reaches 100%, or any phone, not just my asset, if it's my iPhone also. Out of 100 times it will work about 98 times. I know why not 100 times, because most of my viewers, I think so, they are using a pop socket like this is my iPhone cover which I use daily. So I think so they are using a pop socket or something to grip onto your device. So whenever you keep your phone onto it, it will not have that kind of transmission between the power because of the pop socket. But if you use a cover like this, let me just put on a cover onto my S8. I have a transparent cover. It works with this flat cover very easily, like you can see. And friends, as I've explained all the aspects of this charger, we come to conclusion that this charger is a very fast charger. Being a wireless charger, it's very fast, and the great part, it's built very well and designed also. It's very pocket friendly, and the price is also very budget friendly also. So any of my viewers can buy this charger. And friends, to buy this charger, you know the links are in the description. Do check them out. And friends, this is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the Portronics Touch Charge X wireless charger. Thank you for watching, friends.